Hey everyone. Hey coaches. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Alok, and if you have been knowing me for long, I'm a high value business mentor helping coaches specifically to build and scale their businesses at pace. And this video, I'm gonna do it because I wanted to send you a clear message, a message which I've been feeling for last 4.5 years. Yes, I'm into this coaching business for the last 4.5 years, and prior to that, I still continue with my entrepreneurship journey, which is now almost around 16, 17 years. So I wanted to give you a message. The message is about the coaching industry. The message is about what and how you should be going ahead. See, since COVID, this coaching industry started blooming, people started coming in. Most of the people have, if they have not intended to be here for long, you might have seen they have vanished for some time now. Now, the point is what people are teaching and how people are teaching. So, what everybody is teaching is the basics, which you can Google it or you can take help of AI. Is it gonna help you? Are you gonna do the theory part only? What about the execution? Whatever theory you learn in your life, that's not gonna work if you don't know how to implement it. And even if you learn theory on your own and you implement it, is there anybody who's gonna validate whatever you have done is wrong or right? Whatever you have done is sufficient in terms of quality or quantity or not? Do you have somebody to guide in this manner? If not, again, you are playing in the dark, right? And business should not be done in the dark. You should be knowing what you're doing, why you're doing. Yes, there would be successes, there would be roadblocks, there would be failures, there would be experiments, but still, there are two options. One, you keep experimenting on your own. The success cycle will be longer, and you don't know how long it will be. But if you go and work under somebody who has already done it for themselves, have proven paths to achieve those milestones for himself, herself, and for others, your success cycle is gonna be shortened. So, what do you want? Check yourself. I'm not gonna tell you on this. Now, my point is the theory is already available in free formats, whether in form of content, blogs, newsletters, articles, you name anything, it's already there, or videos. You go and search it, you'll find something or the other. But the main point is execution. How are you going to implement it? How you're going to implement and execute it to the fullest to get you the results? If it is not done properly, your execution is improper and you'll not be getting those results which you expect to get, right? So the point which I wanted to convey is focus on execution. Theories are okay. Definitely, you should be knowing the theory part of it because that's the fundamental. You should be knowing. But theory itself is not going to give you. I know a lot of people are creating content. They have been told to create content. What after that? Again, a big silence. Whenever I ask these questions to different coaches whom I meet on a regular basis, there are a lot of questions which are unanswered because they are playing in the dark. They are just following somebody blindly. Open your mind, use your brain. Something might have worked for somebody 10 years back or 5 years back. They might be continuing with that. What about you? If you are new or if you have started 6 months back, the things which were working earlier, let's say 2 years back, are not working today. So why are you just copying those philosophy and strategies and just implementing in your business? Is it gonna help you? And that's where I feel bad. The reason of creating this video is I want to help you to execute things. Yes, execution needs time, execution needs patience. It's not just on a click of a button that you do it and things are happening right there and the clients are pouring in your bucket. It doesn't happen that way. Business needs time. People want to see you credible enough to trust in you. They want to work with somebody who has already done it. So putting all these parameters in place, if you see, there is a system to do it. Yes, I'm not saying I have a system which is gonna give you overnight success. I'm sorry if you have understood this way. I'm gonna tell you that the fundamentals needs to be set on the very first instance. And if you don't fix the fundamentals. If you take multiple months to do this, you are delaying your success. So the objective of this video is to tell you that you need to work in a system which gives you execution with an outcome. Right now, there are multiple factors to a coaching business. You need to build your brand, you need to position yourself, you need to work in a niche, right? The narrower it is, the better it is, right? You must be knowing it. You need to have a lead generation system. You need to have content which generate leads. You need to have a system of inbound and outbound leads. You need to be having a system to do sales and delivery as well. So now you see there are lots of components. Who is gonna give you execution on the spot, and it's a long duration which people promise. So I'm gonna give you a trailer of this, I can say, because I'm gonna do a 5-day 5 AI engine sprint in which I'll be giving you 5 days with one particular outcome for each and every day. This will give you a epiphany or a knowledge that how you can fasten your success, fasten your activities with a particular outcome. If it makes sense to you, if it resonates with you, if you feel that yes, this is gonna help you actually build your business better and faster with a proven technology which is simple, which is easy to implement, and obviously I'm there as a guide working with you for these 5 days every day for almost 2 hours to help only 10 coaches, because I know there are a lot of people who want, but there are very few who are willing to make it happen. So if you come under this category who is willing to make it happen, struggling for long and still not able to make it happen, I'm gonna invite you for this 5-day 5 AI engine sprint only for 10 coaches who are ready to do right there with me on the spot with their undivided time and obviously a little bit of investment for this activity. So if you sync with me, I'm ready to do things with you. Mind it, this this series of events, which is sprint, is gonna be happening from 10th of June to 14th of June, every day, 7 p.m. to almost 9 p.m., 90 minutes to 120 minutes. Yes. And I'm gonna give you every day one outcome for all of you individuals who are gonna join with me. 10 people, mind it, I'm not gonna take more than 10 because it won't be a justice for me to work with 10 people, more than 10 people actually, in this particular time frame, right? So I'll be sharing the AI engines, I'll be helping you to make it right there on the spot, and then customizing you on the spot as well. It's not just an AI output which I'm gonna give you, I'm gonna customize it as well for you right there on the spot. Yes, that's how it's gonna be. So my humble urge would be, if you think it is making sense for you, if you are really dedicated to do it, don't just come for the sake of listening. I'm not gonna talk about it as well. I'm gonna ask each and every one of you to show me what you are doing right there on the spot, so that my time and your time is equally actually valued, and you get an outcome. If I'm spending my time, I'm asking you to spend your time, you should be having some concrete outcome of the executions which you are gonna do right there on the spot. So if you sync with me, I'm with you. Find the link somewhere and do register. Mind it, it's gonna be open for only couple of days. From 10th we are executing. Today it's let's say 5th of June. So from now onwards, you have only 4 days to fill your and book your spot so that you don't miss on it. First time ever I'm doing it. I'm not sure how and when I'm gonna do it again, but I'm gonna make sure that these 10 people are gonna accelerate their business like anything. See you and looking forward to meeting you in person. Bye bye.